Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So मैं संस्कृति and I hope guys you all are doing really great as always. So guys, of course आपको टाइटल से तो पता ही चल गया होगा that I am back with another recommendation from Somya Stores, that is women's watch recommendations. I have added a good really good products that you will love, and from mostly premium products, premium range of products that I have recommended right now. So please stay tuned for the video ahead. Thank you. Stores.com, and here we are for women's watch amazing finds. So let's check it out. So here we are, and these are here. So recently I've added some more recommendations. So there are 1153 products listed over here. So let's check out new to old. Okay, so that you can get the best deals or the latest deals. So as you know, अभी अमेज़न पे सेल चल रही है, एंड हो सकता है आप जब ये वीडियो देखें तो नहीं चल रही हो. सो लेट्स चेक एनी one product. Okay, let's check this product only. Okay, you can check out the images here. All right, so let's tap on the view on Amazon button, and we'll be redirected to the product page. So okay, so as you can see, there's a price change, and that can happen because the deal prices always change. So let's check out any other product. Okay, let's check out this one, another product from the same brand. All right, you can always check out the images here and also on Amazon. So let's tap on the Amazon button. So as you can see, there's a slight difference in the product, and that can happen because this time the Great India festival is going on Amazon. So that is given कि प्राइस चेंज हो जाए. हो सकता है आज पर्टिकुलर डे में किसी पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे हो. सो लेट्स टैप ऑन एनी अदर प्रोडक्ट एंड लेट्स चेक दिस वन आउट. All right, so you can always check out the images here, and they are all updated from Amazon itself. So let's tap on the वी ऑन अमेजन बटन. सो ये जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ये मैंने कुछ दिन ही पहले डाले थे, एंड यू कैन सी कि इनकी प्राइसेस चेंज हो गई हैं बिकॉज जो डील प्राइस है वो चेंज होती रहती है. हो सकता है अभी आप जो प्राइस देख रहे हो मेरी वीडियो के थ्रू, जब आप ओरिजिनली प्रोडक्ट देखें तो हो सकता है देयर कुड बी अ स्लाइट डिफरेंस, दैट कुड बी अप और हाई. ऑल राइट, so that can also happen. This video is just for the products that you may like. Okay, so let's tap any other product from any other brand. As you can see, there's a wide range, right? And also you can check out the price from here. The highest is 164,990, and also you can check out the lowest product through here. So okay, the lowest is starting from 349. So as you can see, there's a huge range that you can try it out. So let's tap on new to old only, and we'll just go to any other product from any other brand. Okay, so okay, let's check this one out. It's a really pretty watch for women's, right? Tap on your Amazon button. आपने इमेजेस चेक कर ली. अब यहाँ पर भी हम इमेजेस चेक कर सकते हैं. So images are updated. Okay, and let's check. Okay, there's a slight difference, almost the price is the same, and as I told you ki deal price could change even for rupees 1 2 or more than that also. So let's check any other product from any other brand. Okay, let's check this one, right? All right, let's tap on view on Amazon button, and so the price which you are seeing is EMI price, and below is the complete price of the product. Okay, since this is a high end product, so जो high end products होते हैं उनमें EMI भी दिखाता है जो आप if you want to purchase, because ज़्यादातर लोग high end products या high price products EMI पे लेना पसंद करते हैं, and vice versa. You can take it completely, or you can take the EMI options which Amazon is providing. There are so many different plans, and you may also have some discounts. There is some coupon discount as well. So let's apply and see. There's a difference. There's a coupon of almost 3,000 rupees, and the price is decreased to 26,995. So दैट कैन हैपन। ये हो सकता है मेरे पर्सनल प्रोफाइल पे ऐसे दिखा रहा हो सकता है आपका डिस्काउंट रेंज अलग हो, आपकी परचेज़ के ऊपर भी, आप कितने कंटिन्यूस बायर हो, फ्रीक्वेंट बायर हो, या डिफरेंट आपकी बाइंग कैटेगरी है. सो ओके, लेट्स चेक एनी अदर प्रोडक्ट. लेट्स चेक दिस वन. दिस इज MVMT, another brand from for women's. Okay, so one pretty watch, so let's check it out. Okay, सो there's a difference in the product, and as I said कि जब ये मैंने प्रोडक्ट डाला होगा तब इस पर डिस्काउंट चल रहा होगा. सो अब नहीं है, अब स्लाइटली डिफरेंस है, मतलब कुछ परसेंटेजेस डिफरेंट है. तो दैट कैन हैपन, दैट कैन रियली हैपन. हो सकता है मेरी वीडियो में जैसे मैंने कहा ये डिफरेंट दिख रहा हो सकता है आप दोबारा जब प्रोडक्ट खोलें तो आपको दोबारा कोई डिस्काउंट दिखे जो इससे डिक्रीज प्राइस में हो. सो दैट कैन रियली हैपन. सो गाइज, दिस वॉज soumyastores.com and this was women's watch amazing finds. And I hope you like more recommendations from Soumya Stores. Soumya Stores की अपनी लिस्टिंग भी है, बहुत सारे मेंस रिकमेंडेशंस है, किड्स रिकमेंडेशन है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकमेंडेशंस है, स्मार्ट वॉच, स्मार्ट ग्लासेस. सो this was about women's watch amazing finds, and I hope you really like it. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. अभी आपने एक वीडियो क्लिप देखी होगी जिसमें आपने वाइड रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स देखे फ्रॉम women's watch recommendations देखे होंगे. There's a huge new collection of many different brands that you will love, and there's a good price range. If you if you have a certain set budget, then you can definitely go for it. Before, there were products that almost did not have a wide range in price range. They had a high end products only, I mean with products with high prices only. But right now there are premium products with a good price range that you can chase. So I hope you will like this recommendation. If you like this recommendation, please check out the link below in the description. You will get the link of that recommendation, and also I have added certain links for those products, so you will love it. And also please follow Soumya Sanskriti on Facebook and Instagram, and Soumya Stores on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. I have given the links below in the description as well for those. And I hope you like this video, so please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and इस छोटे से बेल आइकन को टैप करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, जिससे कि आपको आगे की वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. सो गाइज, प्लीज शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, एज आई ऑलवेज से, शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग. सो गाइज, तब तक के लिए cheers.